How to boost processor or CPU speed in Windows. So if you want to boost your processor or CPU speed in your Windows, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your control panel at first. Once you're under the control panel, make sure that you are under the large icons and go with power options. Under power options, now in my case, I've choose the balance recommended one. You just need to simply go with the right side, which has change plan settings. You'll get this kind of interface. And here, choose change advanced power settings. Once you click on it, now you just need to simply go with processor power management. So you just need to simply go with change advanced power settings and scroll down, go with processor power management, and you need to go with minimum processor state, which should be 0 from 100. You need to go with minimum processor, which should be 0, and maximum processor, which should be 100. And after that, you need to go with apply and OK. Once you've done that, now you just need to simply open up your settings. Under settings, you need to go with system, which is here on the left side. Now, if you scroll down, then you'll get the storage option. Click on storage. Once you click on it, now you just need to simply scroll down again. And you may have an option of optimize drive. So if you don't have that option, then you just need to simply go with the left side, which is find a setting, and then go with optimize, or you just need to simply go with the advanced storage settings. Under that, you will have an option of drive optimization. Just click on it. Once you click on it, now you just need to simply select the drive that you would like to optimize, and then go with optimize, which is right here on the right side. And after that, the last thing you need to do is you just need to simply open up your file manager or your file explorer and go with this PC. Now right click on it, go with properties, and you may get this kind of interface, or you can just go with your control panel. Under control panel, you can go with the system and it will again take you to the system. Now under system, you need to go with advanced system settings, and here you will get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go with, make sure that you're under the advanced section and go with performance. Under performance, go with settings and choose adjust for best performance. Go with apply and then OK. Now after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can boost your processor or your CPU speed in your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.